I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must begin by ensuring you're an administrator and have the recovery key backed up. That's non-negotiable. Once backed up, open Control Panel, then Bitlocker Drive Encryption and select the encrypted drive. Make sure the PC is plugged in and on a stable power source. If you prefer command line, open an elevated command prompt now. You'll use Manage BDE for precise control. These steps get you ready to safely disable Bitlocker without risking data loss. Next, initiate decryption. Click Turn off Bitlocker for the drive and confirm. If using commands, type Manage BDE off C and press Enter, then watch progress with Manage BDE status C. Decryption can take minutes to hours depending on drive size and speed, so be patient. Make sure Windows isn't forced to sleep or shut down. Interruptions can stall or corrupt the process. Once percentage shows 100% and status reads fully decrypted, proceed to cleanup steps to remove protectors. After decryption finishes, verify the drive shows decrypted status and remove any remaining protectors you no longer need. You can delete the recovery protector with Manage BDE Protectors Delete C. Type Recovery. Restart the computer to ensure settings persist. If decryption stalls, run Manage BDE Status to see errors and check Event Viewer for disk or Bitlocker events. If needed, retry Manage BDE off or run chkdsk/f on the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.